I welcome you to this short presentation on organic chemistry. But on this one, my main interest is on isomers. It's only isomer. When you talk of organic, so organic chemistry is simply the study of carbon, except the carbonates, carbon dioxide, so on and so forth. So now here, as I said earlier on, that my main interest is on isomer. So first thing, what do we understand by the word isomer? So when you talk of this isomer, we say isomer is a compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula. So here, when you talk of an isomer, we say an isomer is a compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula. So on this isomer that I'm going to pick, it's only alkanes. So now these alkanes with the carbons greater than 3, they exist as isomerism. Alkanes, they are considered to be saturated hydrocarbons because they've got a required number of hydrogen atoms. So here the general formula for these alkanes, it's general formula. So we say general formula for this alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So remember, on isomer we said that an isomer exists where the compound, or when this alkane has got the number of hydrogen greater than what? 3. So when you have such kind of compounds or alkanes with a number of carbons greater than 3, we talk of, let's say we can talk of butane. Yes, we can talk of what? Butane. So here butane can exist as what? As an isomer. We can also talk of what? Pentane. Yes, we can also talk of pentane. Yes, we can also talk of what? Pentane. So pentane can exist as an isomer. Butane can also exist as an isomer. So butane has got how many carbon atoms? Got 4. So N is equal to 4. Then this one we say N is equal to 5 because it's what? Pentane. So having this and replace on this what? Say general formula. What are we going to have when we start with what? The so-called butane. So let's say butane, we use the general formula where there is N replaced by 4. What formula are we going to have? So we have C4, then H here, so 2 open bracket, where there is n, you replace by 4, then plus 2. Then 2 times 4 is 8, plus this, we are going to have 10. So we have C4, then H10. So this is the molecular formula for butane. So this is molecular formula for butane. So since butane has got the number of carbon greater than 3, which means this one has got 2 isomers. So the first structural formula, we'll write it here. We'll write the carbons. So carbon, there are 4. Remember, this one has got a single bond because it's saturated hydrocarbon. So here we'll write all these 10 hydrogen. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this here structure, we call this as what? Butane. So this is butane. So this is butane. So this normal one, it is what we call butane. We call this as butane. Now, we said that it can exist as an isomer. Remember, here we have 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4. So here, having this same structure, same molecular formula, we can also write an isomer to say here an isomer to this one, it will be C carbon, like this, then like this, again carbon, again carbon. So here it can blunt off. So here we've got 1, 2, 3. So the fourth one, it will be this side. Yeah, it will be this side. So this one, it will be like this. So having this, we're going to put all these 10 hydrogen. So here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is what we call an isomer to this one. So as you can see, these are structures. So structures are what? Are different but same molecular formula. So we are saying this is an isomer. Now the name of this one, as you can see, this is methyl. This is methyl, and we can say it's 1 first carbon, 2. So 2, it is branching off from where there is what? The second carbon. So we'll say it's 2, then you put like this. So it's 2, then this one is methyl because it has got 3 hydrogen atoms. So we say it's methyl. Then here, how many carbon do you have? 1, 2, 3. So it means this is propane. So 2-methyl propane. So this is the name of the an isomer that you can obtain using the same molecular formula for the butane. So apart from this one, butane, we also have pentane. So pentane with the carbon 5. So when you replace in the general formula, never should you forget the general formula when you are about to write the exam. It's very, very, very important. So this is the general formula. So whatever happens, you replace where there is n, you replace by this 5. So here the number of hydrogen atom, which means they are going to be 10. 10, they are going to be 12. So what you are going to have, you have something like this. You have C5H12. So having this, so this one will do this. So let's write this C carbon. Make sure that you write all the 5 carbon, 1 2 3 4 5, then a single bond in between. Then from there we'll say there is hydrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So having this one, so this one we are calling this as pentane. So this is pentane. This is pentane. So having this pentane, we can also form another one. So let's form another one. We've got C here, again C there, C there, C there. So we have 4. So the other one is going to branch off using the second. So on this second, you say that's going to be C carbon. Then you put hydrogen. So here, hydrogen there, hydrogen there, hydrogen there, whole 12 hydrogen. So you need to bond the whole 12 hydrogen to be like this. Okay, it's very, very, very simple. And once you know this, is very, very, very interesting. Okay, so it will be like this. So having this one, here we have, this is first carbon, this is second, this is third, fourth. So this is on alkyl family. So having this, as you can see, this is 1 2. So you say it's C2. Then this is methyl. You say 2 methyl. 2 methyl. Methyl. Then this one has got how many carbons this side when you count them straight? So they've got 1 2 3 4. So this is what we call butane, methyl butane. So this is 2 methyl butane, 2 methyl butane. So now the last one, so we are saying this is pentane, 2 methyl butane. As you can see, same molecular but different structural formula. Then the last isomer for this pentane can be like this. So here, say like this, again like this. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So we have something that looks like this. So this one again is another what? Isomer. So as you can see, we have 1 2. So this is 1 2 3. So it is branching off on the second what? Carbon. So this is methyl and this is methyl. So you say naming this one, it will be 2. This 2 is 1 2 for this one, then comma again 1 2 this side. So you also put 2 the other side. Then the name, since it's 2 2, it will be methyl, dimethyl, dimethyl. So these two, one to this methyl and one to the other methyl. So to name this, we are going to have 2 dimethyl, 1, 2, 3. So this is propane. Either this side 1, 2, 3 is what? Propane. So it's 2 methyl propane. So this is the answer. This is how simple you can come up with an isomer. Thank you very much.